ever pondered the significance of security and tracking in this fast-paced, interconnected world we live in? In an era where every item is smart, from our phones to our watches, even our homes, why should our vehicles lag? Enter GPS Infinity, your ultimate solution to secure anything and everything. Imagine a GPS tracker, not just for your car, but also your truck, bike, bus, and even personal items and pets. Yes, you heard it right, even your beloved pets. No more worrying about losing track of what matters most to you. With real-time live tracking, stay updated about the whereabouts of your assets, anytime, anywhere. The remotely controlled engine on and off feature adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to control your vehicle's engine from a distance. Experience comfort and safety with the AC and door detection feature, notifying you when your vehicle's air conditioning is on or a door is left open. Ever worried about your vehicle entering restricted areas? Our geo-fence alerts have got you covered, alerting you when your vehicle crosses the set boundaries. Enjoy live voice listening, enabling you to hear what's happening around your vehicle, and the multiple alert protection feature sends you alerts in case of any emergencies. The built-in battery ensures your tracker keeps running even without a power source. The mini size makes it easy to hide, and the waterproof feature coupled with a 1-year warranty makes it a reliable choice. With our nearby location and contact feature, find ATMs, police stations, and toll booths near your vehicle. Share your location effortlessly with the location sharing feature, and keep your loved ones informed. For those who love to analyze, we have got the download report feature. It enables you to download and analyze your vehicle's movement history. And let's not forget the parking alarm, alerting you when your vehicle moves from its parked position. So why wait? It's time to secure your assets with GPS Infinity. The world is moving fast, and so should you. Stay safe, stay connected, and remember, your security is our priority.